Welcome aboard Flight Plan 003, your quick daily liftoff of news, music, and a little fuel for the soul. We'll hit the headlines, spark your songwriting, rock the kitchen, and leave you with a life tool you can actually use today. Fasten your seatbelt. This is Don. Let's roll. Big news today. A Russian drone blew up over Poland. Apparently, it had a Chinese engine. You know, when Russia and China start making drones together, it's like Ford and Yugo building a car. You're not sure if it's going to explode or just stall in midair. Meanwhile, the USS New Orleans caught fire near Okinawa. Don't worry, nobody was hurt. The Navy says they're investigating, but I'm guessing someone left the crawfish boil unattended. And NASA says a stadium-sized asteroid just zipped past Earth at 22,000 miles an hour, which is also how fast my neighbor drives when he hears the Taco Bell drive-thru is about to close. Time for today's songwriting drill. This one comes from Robin Frederick's excellent book, Song Starters. You'll find a link on my tools page if you'd like your own copy of her 365 daily ideas. Credit where credit is due. Robin knows how to light the spark. So here's the challenge. Start a song with a relationship situation. That could be love at first sight. I've written songs like that myself. One of mine, 7th and Alcatraz Drive, that our band The Tans recorded, came straight from that lightning bolt feeling. Or you could try starting a song with people trying to keep us apart. Friends, parents, or circumstances always throwing roadblocks in the way. So here's your drill. Grab your journal, your notebook, or hey, even a roll of toilet paper if that's what's handy. Close your eyes for a moment. Picture this relationship scene in vivid detail. What's happening? Where are you? What's at stake? Write down exactly what you see, hear, or feel. Don't censor it, just let it spill out. That's the raw material for a song only you can write. Here's a kitchen tip that really rocks. If you're cooking with stainless steel and want to keep food from sticking, just do the water bead test. Heat your pan for a minute, flick in a few drops of water. If they sizzle and vanish, it's too cold. If they explode into steam, it's too hot. But if they ball up and dance like Mick Jagger, boom, that's your perfect non-stick zone. Add your oil, then your food, your eggs, your fish, or whatever, and you'll cook like a rock star. All right, listen close. Whether you ever write a song or not, journaling will change your life, period. I don't mean someday or maybe or if you feel like it. I don't mean buy a journal and stick it on the shelf and forget about it. I mean right now. Because what you don't write down, you lose. Your ideas vanish. Your insights fade. Your goals get swallowed by distraction. When you journal, you're not just scribbling on paper. You're putting stakes in the ground. You're saying, this thought matters. This dream is real. This experience is mine. Songwriters need it to catch sparks of melody or lyrics, but even if you never picked up a guitar, journaling is how you discover who you really are and what you actually want. So today's journaling prompt is simple but powerful. Just write this at the top of the paper and just start journaling off of it. Write about a moment in your life that changed you. What happened? How did it shape who you are today? Don't overthink it. Don't make it pretty. Just write it down. Well, you can put little daisies over the eyes if you want, but just write it down. That's where transformation starts. This day in the music charts. On this day, August 21st, in 2009, the Black Eyed Peas were sitting at number 1 with I Got a Feeling. What a track. Pure fun. It's one of those songs that just works. Great groove, total dance floor energy, and still clean enough to play at a wedding without scaring grandma. Not too urban, not too pop, just the right blend. And that opening line, tonight's gonna be a good night. Simple, universal. You hear it, you believe it. That's the magic of a line everyone can sing together. And speaking of simple magic, don't miss our episode 12, Less is More, this coming Sunday, August 24th. It's going to be a killer show. Songs, food, life hacks, the whole works. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. This has been Flight Plan 003, your quick dose of headlines, inspiration, and a beat to carry you throughout the day. I'm Don, and hey, tonight's going to be a good night, but Sunday's going to be even better. See you then.